You may be looking for a way to purchase gas and you find it very difficult to do, so this video will be a short guide for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you easy step to get your gas, which is your ton, for your HamsterKombat, TapSwap, or any ton transaction that you want to do. So before you can perform transaction on your ton blockchain or from your ton wallet, you need a gas, which we call ton. So I'll be teaching you how you can actually get this gas using gate.io. So for you to get your gas, you need to register a gate.io account. Make sure you do that. Then after you might have registered and verify your ID, then you will come to the dashboard like this. This is gate.io app. To buy your ton, you have 3 easy steps to take. Number 1, you first of all purchase USDT. Then number 2, after purchasing USDT, then you convert it to ton. That's number 2. Then number 3, you transfer the ton to your ton wallet. 3 easy steps. I'll be guiding you step by step now. So if you come to the app like this, then you can come here, which is quick buy. So when you come to quick buy, you tap on it, then it will redirect you to the P2P dashboard. Here we have different section here. If you look at the top here, you see Express. So we're using Express so that the transaction will be fast. Then here is where we select currency. Then here is where we select the the crypto. So we are using USDT. And here you select your local currency. So when you come here, then you look for your local currency, then you support it. The reason why we are using Gate.io is because it supports multiple local currency, that's fiat currency. So I'm choosing Naira. Then you come here, you select the amount of the token you want to buy, that's USDT. So we are selecting, let's select 2000 Naira. So that's approximately 1.31 USDT. So we're going to click on buy. You can see buy down here. So this is buy. So you click on buy, then it will automatically pair me with a P2P person. That is the reason why we are using Express, like I said earlier. So,
your order has been filled.
He said my order has been filled, so your order number. He said the seller phone is locked. Please complete the order as soon as possible. So what is happening here is that immediately I'm paired with someone, the person's phone will be held by Gate.io. That is why it is secured until your payment is completed. He said the seller crypto have been put in the Gate.io, so in Gate.io custody. Do not worry about the transaction security. So the transaction is what is secured. So then what we have to do now, you can see buy USDT. So we are going to make payments of 2000 Naira or any amount in your local currency that you are buying. So then here you click on what? Read all the instructions, then you click on pay now. Then here it will display all the information of the person that I want to buy from. That is P2P, person to person. Then here, as soon as you are done paying, you can click on I have paid. Look at I have paid down here. This is it. So then here you can message the person. You can send a message to the person, then you tap, then you can kind of send a message to the seller. So now, but we're not sending any message to the seller. So as soon as you are done paying, you click on what? I have paid. Then the seller will confirm, then he will release your token to you. So as soon as you are done with the payment and the transaction is successful, then you can have, so as soon as the transaction is completed, then you go back to your dashboard. Then we move to step 2, which is convert USDT to ton. You proceed here. So you proceed here. You see trade. Now, when you click on trade, there are a lot of options here. Then the next thing you are going to do is to come here. So when you select the highlighted place, then you come here, then you search for ton. So we're going to use our USDT that we have purchased now to buy ton. So you start for ton, then you can see ton here. Make sure you check the currency that you are selecting. Make sure you are buying the right currency. So here you want to buy ton. Then I'm going to select ton. After selecting ton, then you come here, you take it to market here, this limit, then you click, then you select market. So what that one means are buying at the market price. Then here you type in the number of the amount of USD on ton you want to buy in USDT. So, and if you pay attention closely, you will discover that here we have buy, then here we have sell. But now we are buying ton, we are not selling. So it's the buy option that so we are on the buy section. Then here we put the amount of ton in USDT want to buy. Let's say for example we are buying $7. So we're going to put $7 here of ton. We're going to put $7 of ton here. You get. Then if you look at here closely, that the current price of ton is here. That's the current price of ton. So the amount of ton you want to buy, either $10, $5, as the case may be, you put it here. Let's say for instance $7. Then you click on what? Buy. You get. Then it will ask you to confirm. Then as soon as you click on confirm, immediately the purchase will be done. Now after purchasing our ton, we need to now transfer it to our ton wallet, where we actually need it for the gas fee. So the next thing we are going to do is to come here to our asset. At the asset section is where you see all the coin that you currently have on gate.io. You get it. So if you click on assets, so you are going to see you can see the balance, total asset balance that I have on gate.io. Then if you now want to transfer it to your ton wallet, what you need to do is to come here, you click on withdraw. You get. So when you click on withdraw, from here you will have to go to search for the coin you want to transfer. So it's ton you want to transfer. You click on ton, you search for ton, then you select ton. Then here it said select withdrawal method. We are going to be selecting the first one, which is this. So you select on-chain withdrawal. So now it's asking for address, which is the wallet address. Wallet address is like a bank account. So when you are dealing on crypto, instead of you using bank account like the normal bank account you use for other transactions, what you actually need is a wallet address. Your wallet address is like your bank account. Hope you understand that. So now the destination wallet address, you will go and copy it. That is your ton keeper or any wallet you are using. You are going to go there, you copy your wallet address. Is our ton keeper's wallet. Now I want to transfer the ton I just purchased now to my ton keeper. What I will do is to come to receive, this receive here. So when I click on receive, then I will see the wallet address. Now pay attention closely. Look at the instruction here. It says send only ton coin, ton and tokens in ton network to this address. So what this one is saying is that you can send ton coin, only ton coin, or any coin that is on ton blockchain. You can send it using this address. So if you want to send, let's say for instance, if you want to send TapSwap, let's assume the token has been released. If you want to send HamsterKombat, ton keep or any other coin that is on ton blockchain, you can use this address to send it. So we are sending ton to this address, so we have to copy. So I will copy, then I will go back to my gate.io. So now this is my gate.io. Look at this section that they wrote address. So that is where I'm going to paste the address I just copied. So then I will paste it here. You get. Then open network is open network, we select. So then the minimum you can send is 1 ton. So if you are buying your ton something, you have to buy nothing less than 1 ton. Minimum is 1.07 ton. So before you buy, make sure you have up to this. Then when you are done, he said it's asking for memo. He said most exchange require memo tag. So, but we are not using memo tag. Ton keeper did not request for memo tag, did not provide memo tag. So we're going to click on don't use memo tag. Then here we're going to use the amount of turn, the quantity of turn you want to send, you select it here, you put it here. When you are done, you click on withdraw. So this is withdraw here. You click on withdraw, then it will message you with your email. You provide the OTP, then your Google authentication, you provide it, then your withdrawal will be successful. So after some minutes, you will get the balance in your turn wallet. So that is how to buy your turn for your gas for your transaction. So see you in the next video.